Obviously, we're taking on a pretty talented BYU team tomorrow. Offensively, they seem to fill it up pretty naturally. Tell me a little bit about what they like to do offensively, and then what can we do to take them out of their game?
Yeah, they're probably one of the best transition team in the country, if not the best transition team in the country. They're averaging around 9 points a ball game. They want to get the ball out, and they want to get it fast. Make or miss, they want to go. And then when they don't get a break, then what they want to come down and they want to get a quick shot if they can. Carlino's a really good player, really good three-point shooter. Hawes is talented. He's probably a pro. The big kid, number 00 inside, is a very talented player, 6'10". So they've got a very, very good basketball team. It's really a tough place to play. I've played here many times. It's a tough place to play, but they've got an excellent basketball team because they're a transition team. They're really good rebounding ball club, and they get the ball out and they want to go. They'll play a lot of zone, so they can get out in transition, but they will play some man for man, soft man for man.
Now, that means probably tomorrow night's going to turn into a track meet with the way we like to get out, so fans can obviously look forward to that. Now, you mentioned you've been here before. Tell me, you were just telling me, you were probably here the night they opened the Marriott Center. Tell me a little about that.
Yeah, that would have been back in 1970. I was at New Mexico State as a young assistant coach, and we were playing BYU the following game, and I came up here and scouted that basketball game. I think it was against Kansas State, and if I'm not mistaken, Lon Kruger was a player at that time. So I got to go back and look at the record books, but I believe that this was the first game that they played was against Kansas State, and I was here scouting.
Well, I appreciate it, Coach. Thanks, and good luck tomorrow.